that sound coming from my car. I have tried to figure out where it comes from, but it seems to be a little bit difficult to figure out. And therefore I have decided to take apart my transfer box and see what's going on inside.
Det ser da ud til, at det skulle være den vej.
Unfortunately, now where I'm taking the things apart, I cannot really see anything bad in there. The bearing looks good. The oil, okay, black, but not really any parts in it. Not really any big metal on the magnet. And the only thing I can see that maybe is a little bit worn out is the chain. Maybe actually a lot worn out, I don't know. I have never seen this kind of chain before, so I don't know what's normal. The car has been doing 285,000 kilometers, and I actually don't believe that this chain will make this screaming sound. It could maybe make a sound, but it will be in a lower frequency than this screaming thing. So, after examining all the parts, I want to put it back on the car again and see if I can find another cause for this screaming sound. case on the car again, I decided to check my center bearing on the prop shaft. It's a almost brand new center bearing, but I actually maybe have a feeling that this one could be doing it, and therefore I'm taking the half part of the prop shaft where the center bearing is located on and put it into a lathe, and then we try to spin it up in speed and try to twist it a little bit and see what happens. And as you can hear, the sound is coming. So I think I have found my problem.